How to share or send Google Sheet on WhatsApp. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to share or send Google Sheet on WhatsApp. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open Google Chrome and go to google.com. Here, tap on the Google Apps option on the top right corner of your screen beside your profile icon, and further tap on the Drive option now. You will then be led to your Drive, so go ahead and locate the sheet you want to share and tap on that. Once you have opened the sheets, you will see the share button. Tap on that, and in the pop-up that appears, tap on the restricted drop-down under general access, and then tap on the anyone with the link option. Now go ahead and tap on the viewer drop-down and select the editor option. And further tap on the copy link button you see there, and then tap on done. Now go ahead and open WhatsApp and further open the conversation with whom you want to share Google Sheet with, and tap on the text box and paste the link in there. And this is how you can share Google Sheet on WhatsApp. If you find this tutorial helpful, please make sure to like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.